our Woodland pencil. And the Woodland pencil, this particular pencil is in jewellery grade rhodium with a titanium gold centre band, and the wood in this case is Irish spalted beech. As always, please forgive my hands. They are actually clean, but they are working hands, so they do have oils and bits on them, so excuse that for me. So I want to show you today basically just how to use the pencil and how to refill the pencil. To use a pencil, it's very, very simple really. You pick up the pencil and you basically rotate the pencil to advance the lead from the nib and bring it back into a rest position. Advance and then rest. In rest, the pencil or the nib, so to say the lead, stays out. When you advance it, if you leave it in the advanced position, you can then push the lead all the way back in if you want to, if you're finishing work for the day, and then bring it back to rest. So advance to advance the lead, rest so that you can use the lead stays out. As the pencil is used over a period of time, this will actually start to spring back on itself. Just when it's new like this, it's a tiny bit stiff, but after a while it'll actually start to spring back for you. And as I say, once it's in the rest position, the lead stays out. And if you want to advance it, bring it to advance, or if you want to retract it, bring it to advance and push down on the lead, and it goes back into the pencil. So very simple mechanism, bit like our Grove pen. Works beautifully, which is why I like it. The lead in this particular pencil is 0.5 millimeter. We also do these pencils with a 0.7 millimeter lead. Now, to replace the lead, so you've run out of leads, you want to replace the leads, how do we do that? So you take the pencil and you basically, holding the bottom and the top, you unscrew it, as you can see like this. And you unscrew the pencil, and when you unscrew the pencil, out comes the cap section at the bottom, and inside that is the cartridge that basically holds the leads. And inside the cartridge, you take off this black top here, and inside that then are all the 5.5 millimeter leads. So you put your 0.5 millimeter leads in there, you replace the black top into the cartridge like so. Do not lose that black top. If the black top gets lost, the whole cartridge doesn't work, the whole pen doesn't work. Now we do sell replacements, but you don't want to do that if you can avoid it. So you put your leads back into the cartridge, you insert the cartridge back into the pen. You'll see that the leads come out of the nib section there. Back into the pen, take the cap, place it over the cartridge and screw the thing back together again. So you're screwing your pen back together again. Keep on screwing until you feel it biting. Now you know you're back home again. You can see how we've lined the grain up here. So that's obviously what we tried to do, is to line the grain up along the length of the pens, because very, very beautiful wood, Irish spalted beech. And you can see that's your pen working again. Advance, rest, advance, rest. Okay, won't go in when you're in the rest position. Bring it to advanced, push down on the nib or the lead, and in it goes. So that is our Woodland mechanical pencil in Irish burled alum, in rhodium and titanium gold. Thanks for watching. As always, any questions regarding our pens or our pencils, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'd love to chat to you. We will be selling the leads on the website soon, but at the meantime, any 0.5 millimeter lead you can buy in any good stationery store will work fine in this pen. Right, so thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.